Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So long time no see. I know, I'm sorry. Life got me, okay? Life got to me. Anyway, hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing this. I don't know what I'm going to call this just yet. I kind of want to call it like a delicious like creamsicle, but I don't have any whites. I don't know just yet. So I'll come up with something eventually, hopefully. Anyway, so yeah, let's jump right. What? Shut up. Anyway, so I'm going to be putting on Makeup Revolution's their Ultra Divine Concealer or Ultra some concealer in C1 and blending that baby out. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I'm doing right here. Y'all seen this 101 times. I won't use this brush ever again, by the way. Yeah. It's like it grabbed onto my dry patches. I don't know. I just won't be doing that anymore. Next I'm taking, like it says on the screen, Coastal Scents Bright Tangerine, and I'm just placing that like a triangle outer. I don't know. You see what I'm doing. I don't have to explain to y'all. Y'all see what I'm doing. I'm just doing that. That's all that I'm doing. I'm placing it on the outer corner, 2/3 of the inner area, all the way in. I'm just taking it all the way in, okay? Next I'm just taking a brush and I'm taking the same bright tangerine color and I'm buffing out my edges. That's all I'm doing. I just wanted them to be as nice and blended as it possibly can be. So that's all I'm doing. It's just going in and I'm blending it until my eye hurts, because I mean exactly that. My eye was literally hurting after that. Like my eye hurt. I think I had a little bruise afterwards. I also was talking on the phone, I believe. So if you see me smiling, that's what was going on. Ignore me, okay? Okay. Next I'm taking Morphe's Flame and Coastal Scents Oktoberfest, and I'm not really I'm just kind of like, just, I don't know what you want to call it, because I'm just placing it there. I'm not really making an effort to make it dark, because I'm going to go in with the cut crease and cut my crease per usual. Per use. Okay, per use. And I was trying to see where exactly it stopped. And I still was completely off. I don't know. I give up. One day I will be perfect. It won't be today. Won't be tomorrow. Maybe in a week from now. Maybe in a month. I don't know yet. We'll see. Yeah. So then I'm going in with Coastal Scents Phoenix Sun, which is absolutely beautiful. Okay, it is a beautiful color. And I'm going in and I'm just stamping that on, on my lid. I slowed it down just a little bit for you. So that way you'll be able to see what I'm doing. You see that? You see what I'm doing there? I'm taking that little detailer brush and I'm just making sure that I carve it out some. Not carve it out, but I'm making sure that I get that line as crisp as possible, so that way there's no white showing. That's all I'm doing. I go back in with Coastal Scents Oktoberfest and a little bit of, I have no idea what color I use. Yes, I do. I'm lying. I found a color. And a little bit of BH Cosmetics. No, it was not BH Cosmetics, y'all. I'm sorry. It was Coastal Scents Wild Raisin. I went in with Coastal Scents Wild Raisin. And I placed that out on the outer corner as well. And then I'm just going in with the liner. Y'all know the step. I'm going in with mascara, and I'm going to put on some falsies. And that was literally, I think it took me maybe 30 minutes to do this look. Maybe 30 minutes. Maybe to do the eyes, both of them. It took me about 30 minutes. Yeah, I think yeah, I think it took about 30 minutes. That's about it. I'm just going with those same colors, Oktoberfest, um, that other color, Raw Raisin, and just putting it on the bottom of my eyes to buff it out. Other than that, y'all, this is it. This is it. I thank you for watching. I thank you for sticking around because I took a little break. Thank you, y'all. Okay, y'all the real MVPs. Anyway, I hope that you like it. If you want to see more pictures of this, just check out my Instagram. Other than that, I shall see you in the next one. Bye.